Hey, this is Paul Dutton with the Emergency Preparedness Network. I get it. We're busy. We're all working, picking up kids from school, having nighttime meetings, right? Leaving the house at 6 a.m., not getting home until 9 o'clock at night. You're a busy guy. You're a busy person, right? So, but you need to be ready. So how are we going to do that? Right? Can you give me 2 hours, just 2 hours on Saturday, October 11th? Because we're going to have these wind events again. And we're going to help you get ready. Are you ready to evacuate? We'll help you get you ready. Come on in, Saturday, 9 to 11. Breakfast is on us at the Sheriff's Station at 4554 Briggs Avenue, right here in La Crescenta, right? So we can get you and your family safe.